Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcade. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Python topic, and today's topic is that what is unpacking operator in Python. Actually in Python there are two unpacking operators are there. One is single asterisk, another is double asterisk. What does by this unpacking operator? In Python, unpacking operator unpacks from iterable object which is provided into the Python like list, range, dictionary, set, etc. In Python, there are two types of unpacking operator. One is single asterisk, which unpacks from iterable object like list, set, range, etc. Another double asterisk unpacking operator which unpacks from dictionary object. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through PyCharm IDE, I will discuss elaborately using separate examples what is unpacking operator in Python, right? So friends, I'm just within the PyCharm ID, and here I'm just discussing what is unpacking operator in Python. Actually there are two types of unpacking operators are there in Python. One is single asterisk and there is double asterisk. Both do the same thing but used for different purposes. Okay, when we are using single asterisk, means single asterisk unpacking operator, it actually unpacks from iterable objects like list, set, range, etc. And double asterisk unpacking operator unpacks from dictionary object. Okay, so I will give lots of examples separately for unpacking operator is concerned for single asterisk or double asterisk also. Okay, so I already created the file named ex2.py, and here I'm just write the examples. Okay, suppose we take at first list, suppose write L equal, and within square bracket just write some element 12, 34, 56, 89, 100. So actually unpack means actually it unpacks the elements from iterable object. So here the iterable object is list, the name is L. Okay, and now after we just write here suppose print and then just write asterisk L. So just use before the list variable name the symbol asterisk, which indicates also an unpacking operator. Okay, so we just write the code and just go to the run and choose run ex2. Just see, it just unpacks whatever the elements present within that list and put the result within the console. Okay, suppose we take another example. Suppose we take a tuple, just write t equal, and suppose write within a round bracket 12, 77. Suppose we also put some string, suppose quadtree, also put suppose Arnab. Okay, and then if you just write print asterisk t, same way it should unpacks the elements from the tuple. Yes, it just print the elements present within that tuple t. Okay, and now this unpack operator is also used for the range, because range is also an iterable. Okay, so just write, suppose write a equal, just write range, and suppose put the stop position is 5, means it should print from 0 to 4. So just write print and then just write asterisk a, just call run and run ex2. Yes, it unpacks the elements of the range function, whatever the elements present within there. Okay, now within the IDE cell we can also check for this unpack operator is concerned. So just write in that way print and just send as argument asterisk range, and suppose the range stop position is 10 and just press enter. It just unpacks also the element present within that range. Okay, because the stop position is 10 means it go from 0 to 9, because by default it starts from 0. Okay, and also for if we talk about this double asterisk, because double asterisk is used to unpack the dictionary because it's actually unpacks the iterable object like dictionary. Okay, so in that case, suppose we write here d equal, and we just write within the curly braces, suppose write q as a key because it should have in form of pair. So in that way, just write q is 1, and then suppose write w within single quote, and then suppose write 2, then suppose write e, and then suppose write 3. Okay, so first dictionaries contain these 3 pair of elements, key and value. Okay, and another suppose is e, and same way suppose it will contain like that r colon is 4, and then t, then colon 5, and then y, and put the colon, and then the value is 6. Okay, now we create the another dictionary, suppose it is suppose q, and just write in that way in a curly braces. At first we write, okay, and then we just write in that way double asterisk d comma double asterisk e, means it unpacks all the keys and value in pair within the new dictionary q, with some extra element should be present for q is concerned. Suppose write here a, and suppose the value is 7, and another is suppose b, and suppose value is 8. Okay, now if we just print this q, just see what happened. Just go to the run and choose run ex2. Just see, it will contain all the elements present into the d dictionary, also the elements from the e dictionary, and also the element present in the q. So double asterisk d and double asterisk e, it actually unpacks the elements in dictionary is concerned should be in pair, key and value should come into the new dictionary q, and also the 2 other pair, a is a key and 7 is value, and b is key and 8 is value. In that way is provided to them. Okay, so double asterisk is used in that case also. And now we take another example for dictionary is concerned. We can use this unpacking operator for single asterisk in the dictionary, but in that case it's just retrieve the key only. So in that case what happened, we already create a dictionary d and just print asterisk d. So just see what it return as output. Just see QWE, because it's just written the key, not the in pair. So if you want to retrieve all the elements in pair, then we should use within double asterisk. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is very simple. What is unpacking operator in Python? There are 2 types of unpacking operators are there. One is single asterisk, other is double asterisk. Both are used for to unpack the elements present within any iterable object. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Comment in the comment section for any doubts or any further video if you want to see in my channel. Keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.